Hi, Fred from Bosch here. In today's video, we want to go over gasoline fuel pump modules. When selecting a replacement fuel pump module, many installers concentrate on the price and availability of a unit and then let the chips fall where they may from there. If you take a second to think about it, the entire time an engine is running, the fuel pump is also operating. The pump never gets a rest. It must perform at its maximum ability every single second the engine is running. If it doesn't, or if it operates poorly, it has a negative effect on the entire operation of the fuel injection system and the engine operation and engine emissions. When selecting a replacement fuel pump, there are really three things that are the most important things to consider: performance, durability, and fitment. First, performance. Bosch has been an original equipment supplier of fuel pumps for over a half a century. As an OE supplier, Bosch engineering is on the forefront in creating the latest in fuel pump technologies. When Bosch creates a new part number for our aftermarket program, even if it's for an older application, all the newest technologies that have come along since the vehicle was originally produced are included in that aftermarket product, so that it will perform even better than the original design. Bosch fuel pumps are rigorously tested to meet a minimum lifetime of 150,000 miles. In other words, you could literally drive around the Earth 6 times without requiring a replacement. Pumps that are this robust don't just happen by accident. It takes a lot of engineering and technology at the OE level to produce pumps like this. One good example of this is in the FLS, or the fuel level sensors and their related components. While you may not think about it, inside of a fuel pump module, there are a lot of different components that are constantly in contact with each other while moving. Movement like this causes friction, and friction causes wear. To reduce this friction and extend the life of Bosch fuel pumps, Bosch has spent a lot of time and effort with the study of tribology to come up with the best materials that will produce the strongest signals with the least amount of wear. This intensive research results in the use of many precious metals in the production of Bosch fuel pump. These precious metals include silver, platinum, palladium, nickel, copper, and tungsten. Bosch replacement pumps are fit to the vehicle application and then are validated by actual fitment in a tank and on a vehicle. But fitment doesn't just mean that the pump will fit in the opening in the fuel tank. Fitment also means that the pumps are calibrated and matched to all the other components within the fuel system. It is important that all the parts are properly fitted to ensure the most efficient operation. This ensures the ultimate performance, smooth, strong output, and prevents overheating, all of which results in a longer life for your fuel pump. Thanks for taking the time to learn about Bosch fuel pumps. I'll see you next time on Fred Talks.